Iron deficiency anemia is one of the most common nutritional problems in kids. It can cause fatigue, poor concentration, and slow growth. Picture this: your child, usually bursting with energy, suddenly seems sluggish and pale. The good news is that iron deficiency anemia is preventable. In this video, we'll share essential tips for parents on how to prevent it through diet, lifestyle, and medical care. Stay tuned till the end for expert advice. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is iron deficiency anemia? Well, iron is like a crucial building block for our bodies. It's essential for making hemoglobin, a special protein found in red blood cells. Think of hemoglobin as the delivery service for oxygen in our bodies. It picks up oxygen from our lungs and carries it to every single cell, giving them the energy they need to function properly. Now, when there's not enough iron available, our bodies can't produce enough hemoglobin. This leads to a shortage of healthy red blood cells, and that's what we call anemia. Without enough of those oxygen-carrying red blood cells, our kids might feel tired and weak. Iron deficiency can also affect their concentration, making it harder for them to pay attention in school and learn effectively. It can even impact their growth and development, as iron is crucial for building healthy bones and tissues. Now, you might be wondering, why do some children develop iron deficiency? Well, there are a few common culprits. One of the biggest reasons is a diet that's low in iron-rich foods. Our growing kids need a steady supply of iron, and if they're not getting enough from their meals, it can lead to a deficiency. Another factor is rapid growth spurts. Think about those growth spurts toddlers and teenagers go through. They need extra iron during those times to keep up with their body's demands, and if their diet isn't providing enough, it can tip the scales towards anemia. Excessive cow's milk consumption can actually interfere with iron absorption. Sometimes underlying medical conditions can also play a role. Blood loss, whether it's due to intestinal parasites, heavy periods in teenage girls, or other internal bleeding, can also lead to iron deficiency. The good news is that in many cases, iron deficiency is preventable. And one of the most powerful tools we have is a healthy, balanced diet. So, let's talk about some practical diet tips to make sure your little ones are getting enough iron. First and foremost, we need to load up their plates with iron-rich foods. Think lean meats, fish, and poultry. These are all excellent sources of heme iron, which is the type of iron that our bodies absorb most easily. Now, if you're raising a vegetarian or vegan child, don't worry. There are plenty of plant-based sources of iron as well. Beans, lentils, spinach, tofu, and fortified cereals are all great options. The key is to include a variety of these foods in their diet regularly. Vitamin C can actually boost iron absorption, so try serving iron